Duluth Aerial Bridge on Channel 16, Joseph L. Block, about a mile and a half.
Joe Block Aerial Bridge, I'm just getting ready for you now. You're on your way shortly.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks for the call.
Good morning, visitors. The boat that you are seeing arrive through the Duluth Ship Canal is the Joseph L. Block. The Joseph L. Block was built in 1976 by the Bay Shipbuilding Company of Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. She measures 728 feet in length, 78 feet in width, and 45 feet in depth. She is powered by two 3,600 horsepower 20-cylinder General Motors diesel engines, which give her a top speed of 14 knots, or about 16 miles per hour. She is also equipped with bow and stern thrusters to aid her maneuverability in port. The Block has 24 hatches on her deck, which open into 7 cargo holds below. Each hatch covering measures 44 feet by 11 feet. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 37,200 tons. Above her deck is a 250-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo at a rate of 6,000 tons per hour without the aid of shoreside equipment. The Joseph L. Block is currently owned by Indiana Harbor Steamship Company under Cleveland Cliffs. Is a master salute. 3 long, 2 short, different from the captain's or standard salute, which is 1 long and 2 short. Communication between the Joseph L. Block and the Duluth Aerial Lift Bridge. The Joseph L. Block is currently owned by Indiana Harbor Steamship Company under Cleveland Cliffs Incorporated of Cleveland, Ohio, and she is operated by Central Marine Logistics of Griffin, Indiana. The Joseph L. Block was named in honor of Mr. Joseph Leopold Block, former CEO and chairman of the board for Inland Steel. Built for $17 million, she was placed under new management when Inland Steel was purchased by a Dutch company in 1999, under new management to comply with the Jones Act. Central Marine Logistics was created just for that purpose. Central Marine Logistics operates vessels of the defunct Inland Steel Company, which was founded in 1893 in southern Chicago. Inland began amassing a fleet in 1911 to transport iron ore and other materials to its mill in Indiana Harbor. The Block, Sykes, and Ryerson still wear Inland Steel colors. Once again, folks, you are seeing the Joseph L. Block arriving through the Duluth Ship Canal. If you happen to see anybody on board, make sure to give them a warm welcome back to the Twin Ports.
Fraser Block.
Hi, Joe Block.
Good afternoon, Cap. What channel you want to work?
What do you guys usually work? I'm on 66 on the radio, so I don't want to step on anybody there with any work. 18. Go to 18. Joe Block on 18 to the Missouri.
Yeah, I got you loud and clear, Cap.
Yeah, have you the same? Yeah, what I'm just going to do, at least for right now, is have you standing by. I don't know if I'm going to need any help on the bow or anything like that, but I've got we've got to turn into Howard's Pocket there and then take the ship into the dry dock. And with my bow being as high as it is, I'm not sure how much fight I'm going to get with that thruster. So I'll just kind of have you escort us there, and if we need something, I'll let you know.
Okay, you want me standing by your bow then?
Yeah, for right now that would be good.
Okay, I'll head up there and stand by, and we'll see how she goes.
Appreciate it, thank you. No, Cap, that's a good looking boat to be flying that one ugly flag up there. Yeah, the Viking one? You got that? I gotta say though, my wife would be happy. I'm involved in a mixed marriage. Yeah, Green Bay and Minnesota. Yeah, Missouri Joe Black here. Hey, while you're up that far there, would you be able to scoot up a little bit there and take a look at that forward draft? I'm figuring it's probably somewhere around 12 feet, but would you be able to take a look at that for me?
Sure, head up there right now.